Hello friends, how are you? Let's start doing the questions. Uh, First question, it is related to the number sense, okay? 12546 is 12500 when rounded off to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands or 10,000. See, in this question, uh, here it is asked that when rounded off, like this is number 12546, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, okay, and this is 112,500. When it is rounded off, that it comes to the nearest value of what? It becomes, you know, it becomes hundreds. When rounded off, it comes to the nearest value of the hundred. See, 12546 and 12500, there is not big difference. This is 500, this is 550 and this is again 600. That means here the difference is around 50 and it is also the difference is around 50. So below 50 it will be rounded off to 500 because it is coming to 546, and if it is above 550 it will be rounded off to 600s. So when rounded off, then it will be rounded off to the nearest hundred, neither thousands nor 10,000s, neither tens. Okay, next question, which one of the following is greatest? See, these are what? See, this is actually related to the Roman numerals. First of all, let me give you some idea about the Roman numerals. Roman numerals. See, each symbol has a corresponding value. We have I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the numeral numbers. Okay, I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, 50, C stands for 100, 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Okay, now the principles that we apply in Roman numeration, I am not going to repeat each and every theory, but it is asked here that which of the following is greatest. Okay, see, some basic combinations you must be learning, like for example, it is if it is X, it is XX, it is triple X, it is XL, and it is L, it is LX, and it is known as what? X is related to 10, XX is 20, triple X is 30, then we have XL is 40 because L is what? 50. See, this is related to subtraction. XL, X is less than L because X is 10, L is 40, so L is 50. Now L is what? It is 50, and LX is what? L is greater than X, so it will be applicable to the rule of addition. Whenever the first symbol is greater than the second symbol, then the principle of addition is implied. So LX is what? It is 50 plus 10, it is 60. Okay, now let me do few corrections. Which of the following is greatest? Okay, it is given as, see, D is what? Write down the number. D is what? It is 500. X is what? It is 10. L is what? It is 50. V 11 VII, it is related to 7. So in the first option, what I am going to do it, I am just adding it. 500, this is 500 plus 10 plus 50 plus 7. It is related to what? It comes out to be 567. Okay, now come to CDL22. Okay, let's take this marker. CDLL22, it means C is what? It is 100, D is what? It is 500. Okay, so actually this C is less than D, so here the principle of subtraction will be applied. So CD will be what? It is 400, L is what? 50, and II is 2, so it is what? 452. It is 452, it is 567. Then again comes CMXC. M is what? 1000, and C is what? 100. Okay, now again this C is less than M, so principle of subtraction will be applied, and 1000 minus 100 is 900, then plus 10, and then plus C. 1 minute. CM xc. This is 10. This 10 is less than c. C is what? 100. So 900 plus 9, it will come out to be 900 plus 90. This will be 990. So this will come out to be 990. Again cm lx vi. See, cm, c is less than m, that is it is 100, and m is what? It is 1000. So it comes out to be what? It comes out to be 900 plus lx. Lx is what? It is 50, it is 10. Lx 50 and 10. That means it will come out to be 50 plus 10, and this is what? Vi. That means it is 6, 5 and 1. So it comes out to be 966. So it has been asked which is greatest, then the answer will be C option. 990 is greatest. Okay. Next question is rounded off 34519 to the nearest thousands is. See, rounded off digit at hundreds place is, see, 34519. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now to the nearest thousand it is asked, to the nearest thousands. Then this 4519, okay, it will be digit at hundredth place is what? It is 5. So we have to round off this fourth digit at thousands place, so it will come out to be as what? 34519 is rounded off to 35,000. That is, the answer will be B option. As I've already told you, this is 4000, then it is 4500, and then it is again related to what? 4000 plus 100 is, if it is, see, 4000, it comes here in between 4519. Okay, so 19. So it will be rounded off to 35,000, not 4500, not below than that, not above than that, not 30,000. It will be rounded off to 35,000 only. Okay. Next question is, which should not be placed in the box to have the numbers in order from greatest to the least? See, in this question, what you have to do, first of all, 7952 5642, it is in decreasing order. So 5611, it should come, or 5611 3241 2431. No, which should not be placed in the box to have the numbers in order from greatest to the least, because the numbers are arranged in descending order. So 5946 should not come, because 5642, below than that all are the 3-digit numbers, 5611, 3241 and 2431. So all these 3 digits can come inside the third box, but not the fourth one. So answer will be what? This D option, that is fourth one. Okay. Which of the following is same as 80403? See, expanded form, I have to just calculate its expanded form. Its expanded form is what? It will be 80,000 plus 400 plus 3. So answer will be D option. Okay. Next question is, the smallest 5-digit number formed by using all the given digits, each only once is. Okay. See, in this question, a smallest 5-digit number, just write down the digits in the ascending order 2, 0, 3, 4, 6. So the answer will be, it will come out to be D option. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is meaningless? See, I'm sorry, it has come to be blurred. It is blurred somewhat, but I have written it out. I have written it again. Which of the following is meaningless? So first of all, just evaluate its value. This is xv, that means it is 10 plus 5, it is 15, right? Okay, we have this. Okay, now next one is what? Next one is XIX, it is 10 plus ix is what? It is 9, this is 19. Ix is 9 plus 4, this is 13, and xx is 20 plus 4, this is 24. So which is meaningless? No, meaningless will be this ix iv. Yeah, this is meaningless. I'm sorry, this is meaningless because uh, in the, if you can see in the principle of subtraction, VLD are never subtracted. VLD are never subtracted. And second, I can be subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X, but here it is what it is given, IV. If it is 4 and IX is 9, but again C, X can be subtracted from L and C only. Okay, the X C can be subtracted from C. The, I'm just telling you the principle of subtraction. C can be subtracted from D and M because M is 1000 and LCDM, this is D is 500 and C is what, this is 100. So C can be subtracted from D and M, but what it is given here, that meaningless will be IXIV because I is subtraction is only applicable when the first symbol is less than the second one. Okay, but here this is meaningless, IXIV. See repetition, see IXCM can be repeated, VLD are never repeated, and no symbol in a Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. So I think that C is the better option. C is meaningless for this. Okay, now compare and fill in the given box. C, calculate the value. D is what? L, C, D, M. D is what? L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. So DCC is what? D is 500 and plus 200 because CC is 100. L is 50 plus X is 10 plus 5. This is what? This is 750 plus 15. This is 765. Okay, this is what? This is 765. Now again just calculate this. C is what? C is 100 plus CD, because C is less than 500, so it will be 400. CD will be 400. LX is what? L is 50 and X is 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60, and then XII, this is 12. So it is 472. It is 472. So that means this 765 is greater than 472. So answer will be B option. Okay, just evaluate the values. B option. Okay, so these are the questions. If you have any query regarding this 7th question, you can just ask me. Okay, because I think that this IXIV subtraction is not repeated in a I should not be repeated after this. That's why it is meaningless. XIX is okay, XXIV is okay. IXIV, I is less than X, that's why it is subtracted, but again I is less than 5, V, it is not applicable. Okay, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.